Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. So you can connect with your followers directly through WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Go to the Updates tab. WhatsApp rolling out new features gradually. Some features like being able to create a channel might not be available to you yet. If not, please wait to get the update for you. Tap this plus sign as you can see beside this channel. Tap on it and you have to select the create channel. Tap continue. Here you can choose to customize your channel now by adding a description and icon. Add a channel icon. You can select any desired photo from your device. Add a channel name. You will be able to change your channel name at any time in the future. Add a channel description. Write a few words to help followers to understand what your channel is about. Tap create channel and you are done. Now you are all set up with a channel. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.